सर दो चाय दो ना। तो सबको पिलाना इधर। इतने पैसे नहीं मेरे पास सर।
Look at her 1,000 subscribers. Oh, 1,000? Sorry, 1.
Sir, now you're my subscriber. Guys, he subscribed to me. Bro, she's like, take me out of this situation already. We're running on a delay. पहले 10 मिनट था, फिर 20 मिनट हो गया, फिर 20 मिनट के बाद 30 मिनट हो गया, 30 मिनट में 1 घंटा हो गया.
Welcome to Indigo.
always have very hot chocolate.
तू मेरी शक्ल पे शक्ल बोल रहा
इन लोग के पास वैरायटी भी स्टारबक्स से ज़्यादा है.
Guys, we found a book called Meow Meow. Me, myself and I. She's in the fantasy world. I don't like fantasy world. But at the same time, meow meow. Meow meow. Vlogging starts again. We stop at a beach. Here's my set of crew. So bad.
Marines could never.
So yeah. जा रहे हैं वापस कैब में. Bye. Does your dad say if you cut your hair? This is the third time he'll be saying it though.
Yeah. He says once you cut your hair, just come back when it's grown. Otherwise, don't come back.
Otherwise, you're homeless.
But pass.
फॉर्मली एकदम.
हाँ ना, but 500 के हेयरकट के लिए 8,000 कौन भरेगा भाई हर महीने?
भाई देख रहे हो?
Too much for this.
This girl right here.
इतनी तो सैलरी भी नहीं मिल रही है.
अरे एक्सपोज मत कर यार हमें.
Reality check for those of you who are waiting in line for a crew interview.
Yeah guys, that's it. Bye. Look at the polls. मेरा तो माथा बड़ा हो गया all of a sudden. मेरी भाई. I'll tell you now why we chose aviation. Only if I can see you guys. मेरा lipstick तो अलग ही फेंक गया.
I don't want to answer this question. Skip.
I'll answer it for you. First of all, we get to roam. Second of all, it's 10 times more paying job than any other job. As an HR, I've worked. I only got 16,000 for that. Salary अच्छी मिलती है starting में, क्योंकि आपको at least you'll earn more than 30s and 40s. हाँ, people who always keep asking me, why did you choose aviation to be your industry? This is the reason why. She's like, I'm not even comfortable with the camera. This bitch is just taking me anytime. You tell me, no? Why did you join aviation instead of joining anything else?
I was 18. क्या मैं 12वीं के बाद क्या करूँ?
One more profit about being in aviation, you can join anytime, you can leave anytime, you can do whatever you want. You roam, only just be with the company policies and बाकी सब तुम्हें जो करना तुम करो. सिर्फ थोड़े लोगों को झेलना भी पड़ता है कभी कभार. No offense to my crewmates. I love you.
Nice to meet.
I love you guys. I love you guys, but like yeah, it's sometimes it's hard to deal with people. But yeah, that's it. Let us just wash our face and then हम खाते खाते explain कर लेंगे, ठीक है? Bye. ये चलो मैं और एविएशन के सवाल का जवाब देती हूँ आपको और प्रॉपरली देती हूँ ये टाइम. I'm telling you, aviation is the best place to start from if you want to be in the customer service industry. What is? Acha, this is my plate. Shit, I got scared. It's very convenient to be very honest. Being in aviation, we get to be in the hotel. We get allowance for that also. एक जॉब में जाके आपको 16-17,000 मिलेगा और एक जॉब में आपको सीधा 28 है जो बेसिक. फ्लाइंग आवर्स अलग से, लेओवर अलाउंस अलग से, प्लस लेओवर अलग से, फिर घूमना अलग से. इट्स लाइक प्रॉफिट ओवर प्रॉफिट. थोड़ा टाइम स्केड्यूलिंग में अप्स एंड डाउन्स बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, येस, बट it is what it is. If you want to,
It's not that hard.
we've been in it. I've been in it for like almost 2 years now, and she's
7 months.
हो जाता है, आदत पड़ जाती है. अभी उठना बैठना तो करना पड़ता है, चाहे आप कौन से भी इंडस्ट्री में आपको उठना बैठना तो करना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पर scheduling is a little messed up. वहाँ पर scheduling is maybe formatted.
But every job has its pros and cons.
हमारे कॉन्स बता देती हूँ. हमारे कॉन्स आर दैट वी माइट नॉट ऑलवेज फ्लाई विद अ वेरी गुड सेट ऑफ क्रू. But I love all whoever I fly with, except for some. But yeah, but then at the same time, your management might also not support you that much. But हमारा management supports us quite a lot. Indigo management is on another level. I'll tell you that. No disagreeing on that part. Indigo management is the best. The
There's
best.
someone listening to us. We know that. There's someone listening.
Looking out for us more like that. Yeah. So we know we can run to that person. He's like the management is like our parents in this particular company and we are the children. हाँ थोड़ा रोना धोना होता है कभी कभार. मुझे सभी इंडस्ट्री में होता है.
But that's only because of the crew who have behaved like shit before.
है कुछ लोग. अब सबको तो चेंज नहीं कर सकते, तो अपना अपना रहने का, काम करने का, निकल जाने का. Well, if you're planning to join aviation, come on. Our ice cream is here. Okay, never mind. Oh, sir, now you're my subscriber. Guys, he subscribed to me. Bro, she's like, take me out of this situation already. Yeah, we have a new subscriber. Sir, आपका नाम, your name?
Sharan.
Say hi to Sharan now.
Saw the beauty of aviation.
We got a subscriber, guys. We have Sharan. Shout out to Sharan. This is a video on you now, bro. We have so much content. Yeah, we love our subscriber count going high. Anyways, yeah, that's it about why I joined aviation.
So guys, time पता नहीं कहाँ चला गया. हम सो गए. हम सोए तो 5 बजे सोए. मैंने कौन सा भी ब्रश यूज नहीं किया. Guys, let's see the view. यहाँ की लाइटिंग बहुत अच्छी है यार. सेक्सी पिक्चर्स आएंगे इसमें. Wow, what a view. What a view. What is this? Zameen? चल ना. मैंने तो कुछ भी पहन कर आई हो. इस औरत ने तो कुछ तो पहन कर आई है. फिर हम जा रहे हैं बुफे के लिए. Look at it. So aesthetic. Oh my god. So we decided to not go for the buffet and go for like in-room dining because there were not only so many people but the options also were quite less. So we were just like, nah, registration, what the fuck. This girl right here. This girl, Jim. Let's go. Gym, like वो जो gym freak guys, gym freak. Let's go. कितने किलो कम किए? मैं पतली हो चुकी हूँ guys. I don't know if you can see it. I can feel it. That's all that matters. Inspiration matters. So guys, we thought of not going outside. I'm gonna ghissify that on her face for a very long time. भाई क्या देखा, क्या ऑप्शन था उधर? As people from Mumbai, not Bombay, Mumbai. No offense. Yeah, come on, yeah, give us more options. Chicken curry बोला नहीं है, fish curry बोला नहीं है, veg curry बोला नहीं है. Shit after this. It even has timing written, so.
So guys, we had a photo session. मैं हम दोनों का Instagram in the bio डाल दूँगी. Bio में डाल दूँगी.
Bio क्या होता है? Description.
Oh shit, हाँ, sorry, I'm not on Instagram.
Dead body was the same guy. So apparently that guy was staying in their hotel and वो बहुत दिन से missing हो गया था और उसकी wife ने
A few moments later.
Going to save the world.
Stop it. Get some help.
मैं और वेदिका कोशिश कर रहे पिछले 4 घंटे से सोने की, जो अभी 12 बजने को आ चुके हैं और 1 बजे का अलार्म लगा हुआ. He's my R1 by the way. I'm her R2 by the way. And people who don't know what R1 R2 is, the most junior crew is supposed to be R1. उसके थोड़ा सीनियर इज R2 और उसके और सीनियर इज L2 एंड उसके और सीनियर इज इन फ्लाइट मैनेजर L1. वो इज लाइक
You can never become L1
while being a crew. I'm calling these people. Let's do this. So, hello sir, it's been an hour already. How long is it going to take? Oh, okay, thank you. It's ready ma'am, it's ready. It's ready ma'am, it's ready. पिछले 400 साल से यही बोल रहा है. When I started, I removed my phone and I was like, अभी सब कुछ व्लॉग करना बचा है. हमारा खाना आ गया. खाते पाए guys, very hungry. Face mask time. Oh my god, my face is like it's falling. Melting. I didn't put it properly. Yes, guys, clearly we couldn't sleep, so we wrote like the flight report. Sorry.
Flight report.
Details.
ऐसे सा काम बता ना फर्स्ट
First sector 12. 0 infant, 0 cabin, wheelchair, no.
1,000,000 zillion jillion dillion cotillion times later.
It's going on my vlog, so you better
What
not
a
laugh.
vlog. Oh my god, look at her 1,000 subscribers. Oh, 1,000? Sorry, 1.
Take it again. Take two.
I saw it.
सांग. तिचा पण मराठी खूप छान आहे. एकदम. तू किसका?
मी दिसतोय?
त्याचं.
मी दिसतोय?
हो.
Oh, काय दिसतोय रे? Full छान दिसतोय.
When they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Oh my god.
According to Rachel, I'm a mouse, guys. Whatever.
Stuart the Little.
If you all think I'm a mouse, comment below.
Okay, bye guys. इसको नजर ना लगे. Vlogmas comes again. Let's go, people. I'm literally looking myself in the mirror and I'm doing whatever I'm doing. Hi, what's up? Let's go, guys. Woo. I'm looking at the mirror. I'm like, let's pose properly at least for once. I'll do my makeup and I'll get back with you guys. Bye. कहाणी तो नाही लागली ना. झाला आमचा मेकअप करून आणि फक्त लिपस्टिक
लावायची राहिली आहे.
इथे मराठी बोल काय.
तेरे वजह से मैं मराठी बोल जाऊंगी मैं.
झालं आमचा मेकअप करून जस्ट फक्त लिपस्टिक लावायचं राहिलं. She's teaching me Marathi and she's only going to forget Marathi like I.
You guys are ready, but
I'd rather
way
say-
before time.
You all could have at least taken a power nap, yeah? मैं तो अपनी जिंदगी में कभी इतना जल्दी रेडी नहीं हुई.
पावर नैप के लिए पावर वो नैप तो आनी चाहिए. पावर तो हमको नैप लेने की थी, बट नैप ही नहीं आ रही थी हमको.
So guys, we sat in the cab. I'm not going to attempt Marathi because मैं मराठी भूल चुकी हूँ.
मेरे को एंजाइटी हो रही है इसकी मराठी सुन के.
मेरी लाइटिंग गर्ल भी बन गई. ये अरे बेचारी.
स्पॉट बॉय है ब्रो.
She's
स्पॉट बॉय, स्पॉट बॉय.
चलो बाय. ये क्या था?
पासवर्ड मेरे को नहीं पता. Stop vlogging when someone needs your phone.
We reached the airport and now we're doing our BN check-in. And now I'm going to do a check-in. Bye. This is just a small little thing I wanted to show you guys. A time lapse of the sky of us going from Trivandrum to Bombay. Not fully, but like quarter halfly. So it's just some time of it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see it better, you can always follow me on my Instagram, which will be linked in my description. Why am I speaking in gibberish anyways? Okay, continue watching the video. Bye. Guys, I came back home early because I couldn't operate because I was not well, and yeah, we do transit sickness for that. People who don't know what transit sickness is done when you like have to operate further and like you are stuck in a when you have to operate further but you're not able to operate further, and you have to report sick like right before another sector or an hours before another sector that you have to operate.
I don't know if you guys understood and well and good. If not, then dude, I'm literally so freaking sick right now. My voice is going slowly. And yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you like this video. I dozed off actually, but yeah. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment down below and share it with your friends. Press the bell icon after you subscribe and tell people to subscribe. Guys, we are close to being 1,000 subscribers. Come on, you're on 700, but okay. Anyways, bye. Enjoy your life. Be who you are. And yes, I'm well. I'm not well, yeah. But okay. Bye.